Hi everybody, it's Peg for Pick a Stick Challenge February 2018, and I apologize if my voice gives out. I've been suffering with a little bit of flu, and I want to get this done because this is the last Friday of February, and yeah, need to do my challenge. So I tried a number of different things with Bleach. That was the first step on the Pick a Stick Challenge for this month for the ATC, and I was not successful, and I don't know if it's because my bleach was old or the cardstock wasn't right or just what was going on, but I kind of gave up on the bleaching technique. I ended up using some distress oxides, and we all know that distress oxides move even with water, so I figured even if the bleach didn't work, it would work the same as water. So that's what I did, is I used some bleach on the distress oxide to alter the ink on the artist trading card. So I just get out my pipette and put that on there. Now, I will warn you, if you are using bleach, you always want to rinse all of these things that you're using because it will eat things. This pipette goes directly into water. If I use a brush, I always use a synthetic brush because natural bristle, boar hair, anything like that is going to get eaten by the bleach. So just be aware of that if you're going to do any bleaching techniques. So yeah, I did get some effect using bleach and the distress oxide. The next thing that I did was drip, because the step number 2 says drip. So I got some, this was Doc Martin iridescent copper plate gold ink, and I'm just going to put a little of that across the top, and I'm going to let that drip down the trading card. And it actually must be settling out too, because it was a little bit chunky, and I can see I'm going to have to do some stirring of that and see what I can do to improve that ink. I usually use that for calligraphy and not for a technique like this, so it's perfectly fine. It's just I don't know where those chunks came from. So I'm going to dry that off. And then step 3 says glue. So I have some pieces from my collection of things, which are Tim Holtz ephemera, and they come from his ideology line. So I'm going to mount that on another piece of cardstock, which is that burnt umber color, which is the color for the month, and add my embellishments, and that'll be it for this month's ATC. So thanks for joining me, and if you're interested in it, check out the Facebook group and join the challenge, because we'd love to see what you're making. So thanks guys, see you again next time.